Well, hello people. Welcome to the first official blizzard 2022 here in South Jersey. Absecon is the particular town in question. Yeah, we got some snow here, folks. Whoever might be out there, I hope you're all doing well. Oh, and to my Florida peeps, it's kind of interesting to see that you folks are down in the 20s today. At least that's what I thought I read someplace as opposed to someplace. But anyway, here it is. We have snow. We have tons of it. We have ice. We have actual plowed out Main Street over there. It's not in bad shape at all. We have a Dollar General that's actually open. It's over there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll raise the camera up here. Maybe not, but that's okay. When I woke up this morning, the drifts of snow in the parking lot here were up to mid-thigh, and I was amazed at that because the whole thing was Thursday night into Friday. The estimated snow total is going to be about 6 to 8 inches in southern Jersey, where I am in Absecon. And it turned out to be, when I woke up on Friday morning, that it was going to be 12 to 18 inches, probably closer to 18 inches. I was kind of surprised on that one. But in the last couple hours, after expecting the snowplow people not to be here until probably tomorrow, they've done a decent job. They plowed out some the parking areas, especially over here near me. Looks in pretty good shape. Down the distance, looks in pretty good shape. I just saw the plow and the plow operator doing his thing about 100 yards away. Let's go out to the main road here and see what it's like. I've seen some vehicles go by over the course of the last couple hours. Seem to be in decent shape. Yep. Yeah, considering everything, I think it's been a decent job done by the snow removal contractors, at least in my apartment complex. I was really amazed at that. And the Absecon Township or Absecon Town plow contractors, they've done a pretty good job, I think. So tomorrow when I have to go to work, I think I'll be able to dig out the rest of my car there, and it should be no more than half an hour of getting everything off my car and digging out the back of my car, be able to go to work. So I'd be fine. Now, I did hear on the radio a little while ago that it is going to get very cold tonight. It's going to be in the, I think, low 20s, high teens. And then with the wind chill, definitely go to the single digits. I'm very glad I'm going to be inside sleeping in a nice warm bed. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. So, actually, I wanted to be out here earlier, but I just wasn't feeling it being in the wind like this because the snow was going sideways. And I just wasn't feeling it because cold is uncomfortable, in case you're not aware of that, folks. Extreme temperature. Hey, when it's 100 degrees in the summertime, it's uncomfortable. When it's 0 degrees outside in the wintertime, it's uncomfortable. I just thought I'd let you folks know about that in case you're wondering. So, actually, this is just a small video. I was going to be here earlier and longer, but conditions weren't conducive to doing that sort of thing this time. So, I'm just going to call it a day, and I hope everybody's well out there. And also to remember, we probably had 15, 16 inches around here. Who knows? Not really sure about the snow totals around here yet. But in Boston, the last thing I heard yesterday or last night was that they were expected to get, during this storm, about 3 feet of snow. And just opposite me in the direction I'm looking is a bird who just landed, just sitting on top of some snow. Let me see if I can move this so you can see the bird. I hope you can see the bird. That's kind of neat. There you go. Jumps. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Wow. And he's climbing Mount Everest. That's what he's doing. Or maybe a she, who knows? All right, guys, that's about it. I've had my fill of cold weather today. Been out here all of 5 minutes, 6 minutes, something like that. Oh, I've been out here for about 7 minutes because I had to throw out some cat poop earlier. Yeah, cats. They own the world. They do. They really, truly do. All right, guys, that's it from Absecon, New Jersey. Take care, everybody. I hope everybody's well, and be careful out there. Oh, and also, if you live in South Florida, because of this cold weather that's going on right now, be careful of frozen iguanas falling from trees. Hey, it's dangerous down there. Take care. Peace out.